Hello, good day once again. This is Adeomi Samuel from Acacia 9 FS Forest Zone. Okay, and last week I was very weak, and a lot of things happened during the week, and we enjoyed the move that we predicted, and it's going to continue today also. So let's quickly look at our this week also. Sorry. Okay, let's quickly look at our DXY. Okay, that is US dollar on its own. I have a tap into this resistance line, a divergence of it, a deviation of it here, and price return, that is broken off the break of these eyes. Okay, after that, price return back into my 4-hour support line, or I call it discount line. Okay, level. Okay, price went into it, respect this area, then move higher. Okay, and as at now, I'm still expecting price to move higher above this high. Okay, and if this is happening on the daily time frame, what will be on 4 hours? The same lines being transposed to what? My 4 hours time frame here. You can see last week in my Telegram channel, which I will send the link in the description. We have this low being taken, this high being taken, this cause a BMS, and this is the red here. So price return into this line. This line has not changed from last week, even though I don't know whether I don't think so, whether I showed this line for many people to us on last week, but my people, they understand what I mean by this line. So this is a support, and price gave me a tough time to move on time. Okay, so at this moment I'll be looking for price to reach out for this area. This is the premium level of it. Okay, at least if I'm targeting this for the week, it's not bad at all. Okay, for the week. And I'm saying, I told you from the daily time frame that we have this as our what? Our TP. That's my TP1. Okay, before reaching for my what? My golden level. Okay, so as you can see, this line 96.84 area or 85 area is in line with the fair value gap that is here, that we have here. So the FVG here will be taken. So that is my target for now, because before pull back and rally up again. Okay, because we will break this high also. So that is that for DXY. I'm not going to go lower again. Okay, so we should be expecting price to reach out for this level. Then every week this always change, unless if the week last week or previous week did not really move too much like we have here. If this move has gone up very well, this line will have moved, my discount line will have also moved, and the premium line will go higher also. So as at now, I'm expecting price to come to this level, then go up again. Okay, so that is for DXY. Now let's go to our Australian dollar, US dollar. Okay, as I have said last week, I said I'm expecting price to come lower. Okay, I'm expecting price to come lower. So if price will come lower, as we have seen from the daily time frame of DXY, shows that DXY is going to be very, very strong. As DXY is going to be very strong, what caused me to say that price is going to come down like this? This is stop hunt, break of market structure to the downside, and even broke structure here. Okay, that made this high a very significant high. So price is in this range. So if you put your Fibonacci, for those who like it, okay, from year to year, you'll be having 70.6 area, and price has touched it. Now price is back at what was at 70.5 area last week, so price is coming down. That's what I'm expecting. Okay, and we sold this last week also, this last week, this that Friday. Okay, we sold it for 50 pip and it went for like 60 or so even. So I'm expecting it to come lower. Okay, now if you look at it, what I have here, sorry for the sound. If you look at what I have here, is last week, the last candle on daily time frame last week, the last candle closed below the 4 hours premium level for this week. Okay, so if that happened, that make me to say that I will be selling what, this from this level to this. And if we measure how many pip is that from where we are now to this level, that's around 136 again, 136 again. So I don't expect much, even if I'm not using anything. What ICT has been able to do with premium and discount is very important too, but let's forget about that. Let's look at this low. Does it break this high? No. So I'm expecting price to come below this low, to come and take. It did not finish their job, so they will suffer for it. Their stop loss will be there. So as I'm expecting price to come to this level also, at least to this level, before coming lower to this level. So that's what I'm expecting on the daily time frame. So on the on the 4 hours time frame, what do we have? We have the same level being drawn automatically that last week. If you look at this, let me go back to that daily so that you see what I'm talking about. I want to show you something. Before this month started, before November February started, we have drawn this line. The last day of January, we have drawn this line. This blue line that you're seeing now is on the daily time frame. We have drawn it. It's our if I shrink it very well, I will see it's our discount here, our discount line. Okay, we have drawn it, so we want price to bounce off it so that we can buy. Bounce off it, we can buy. Okay, but on the lower time frame, this broken line is my daily is my 4 hours time 4 hours premium and discount level. Okay, so what I'm expecting is for price for me to buy again, buy the, if I will really want to buy for this week. I wish this come to this level or this level. What I mean by price should come here to buy or here to buy if I wish to buy at all. But I know that price is going to go below this what, this low. That was the low that happened in last day of this of January. So that's what I'm expecting. So price should come to this, below this level. Okay, I don't disturb myself much about what price is going to do. These my lines will what, will direct me. So as we are, we close below the what, the premium last week. So when the line drawn, the 4 hours this premium line draw, we saw that we have a close below the what, premium line. So when we have that close below that premium line, and you can see it there, maybe I will go to lower time frame for this. We saw this break of market structure, pull back, then I will be targeting this or this for the week. I don't rush it for the week. And if you look at this to this level, as I have said, 160 here, 165. Okay, on daily time and 4 hours time frame here, 165. Okay, let's just quickly move to the 30 minutes so that we can see. Okay, like I said my template is somehow different from what we usually have. Okay, so this is where we are. I've not drawn anything on this, but I know that as we are here, even on this 30 minutes time frame, we are in the premium, and the break of market structure really happened here. Sorry, here. Okay, you can see equal high here. Okay, because this price failed to break this low. Okay, so its high is vulnerable also. It's not a complete swing, so price went down below this low now. So this is the break of market structure, and if you look at it, price is going to come to this area, maybe this other block, before coming down. Okay, so that's what I will be expecting. So it's just going to be a drop, a proper drop for what? For for Australian US dollar for for next week, for this coming week. Okay, so I don't disturb myself too much. I don't the template here did not draw. I did not make it to draw the line on this time, on this 30 minutes time frame, because all those lines that you saw on 4 hours and what daily time frame will show if I reload my what, my templates very well for it. Okay, so that's all you have to grab. So you have close to 160. Let's check it again. If price will pull back, if price will pull back and fall, let's say these candles, this red candle is my other block, refine other block. So price come back to feel this inefficiency, the unfairness in the market, the fair value gap, come to this place is 83. That is, some people, that is okay. It's okay, you don't need to force it, because this is another level that can stop price. Okay, so get to this level 85, now to this level 160. So I wish price should come like this down, respect this discount level again, come back here, then come lower. This can take 2 weeks or a week, it depends on what we have on the news. Okay, that will boost this movement. Okay, and that is all. Thank you for watching. Once again, you have the my telegram channel link on the description, and share this and subscribe.